Hello!
What's up, everyone? It is hot today.
Dumb high, and we were outside. Why? Lighting. Real quick, just to let you guys know, sorry for the late video. Hasn't been a while. We've been, let's just say busy.
I've actually been working every day, so I have no time. And he's home, but he doesn't want to do videos without me.
Yeah, so there's that. And so today, what are we doing?
We're doing a snack taste testing, I guess, of Hawaiian snacks.
Mukbang, you can say, I guess.
Well, I mean, some of them I guess you could find in the mainland, but these are like some different flavors, I guess, that we've never tried here. So I guess we're gonna try them out and see how that goes.
Yeah, and number one thing of our channel is you gotta try. You have to try. You know what I'm saying? So first things first, I'm hot, so we're gonna go with this tea first. She doesn't have a tea. I don't know why. Don't ask her. Don't ask her.
Because it's like kombucha. I do not like kombucha.
It's good for you. You know what I'm saying? But let's try.
Okay.
All right. Ooh, a little tornado going on. Oh, that's good stuff.
Let's start with yours. What am I gonna start with?
What you got? You want to try this with me?
I don't know.
It's minty. I mean, it's not. It doesn't smell like kombucha at all. There's no fermentedness. Let's try. Not kombucha at all. It's like Tivana. I swear to God.
And watch if I can drink it and you're lying to me. See your face. It smells minty. And
Yeah, it's pineapple mint. I don't know if that's.
I don't like it.
That wasn't a good try. You gotta try again.
No, I don't.
It's not bad.
So what do you want to start with first?
All right, so,
It's way too minty. It doesn't even have a pineapple taste. It just mint.
yeah, you're right. That's kind of disgusting there.
You want to try pizza pretzels?
Yeah, let's do it. And then you open that one up, and then I'll open this one since they look the same. This is the chocolate banana cream, and I'll get it started. And I'll open this side.
So these are just pizza pretzels. They're baked snack sticks. So they kind of they're just plain.
No,
But they
it's not
have
this.
a pizza flavor.
It's not called pretzels. It's called pretz.
Pretz.
All right. You got let me
They are from the Pocky brand, because this one is.
Same
yeah.
brand, is it?
The Glico, some shit.
You can't read cursive. You better slow down.
Yeah,
Look like glycol to me. I don't know.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Here.
Let me see.
This is what it looks like. It's like looks like a pretzel stick. Very, very thin pizza pretzel stick.
Sorry.
They're actually really good.
They're okay. They kind of taste like
They taste like the pizza Pringles.
No,
Yeah, they do.
no. What's that Tastes like a pizza combo. Remember that? Good stuff. Not bad.
I like these. You know who would like these?
Who?
JJ, Selena, and Jinsun. Because she was looking for them for him. Like, different, not this brand, but
Yeah.
I know pizza sticks.
But not bad.
So, Selena,
Yeah. Do what you
find
gotta do.
these for Jay. These are really good. He would like them.
A little Google won't hurt you. All right, now we're gonna try banana or chocolate banana cream covered biscuit sticks. This looks like some bomb stuff right here. I'm sweating too. I should put pads right here. Catch all my sweat. All right. Ooh, that banana hit. It's hard. I like it. Yeah, you grab that one. Want to do Star Wars?
Cheers.
Oh, nice.
Oh my god. The banana is so overpowering.
I don't get that. I'm sorry. It's okay. Your tongue is a little expired.
It's too much. It tastes like a Laffy Taffy. A banana Laffy Taffy.
That's the best one. You know they're thinking about making a package
It's
where
too
it's
much.
only banana.
I don't really like that. It's too much.
I don't know, but I like it.
And that is why he has cavities.
Wow. Thanks for telling everybody my business. Alright, what you got next for us? What do we got?
What do you want to try? What do you want to try, girl? What do you want to try?
Let's put this aside.
I really want to try these.
What's that? Marshmallow.
Marshmallow cookie dough. So they're snackable marshmallows. I found these at Target.
We don't know it's Hawaiian based, but it looked good.
Yeah, it just looked really good, and I wanted to get it because I've never seen it anywhere else. So, well, I've never seen it in the mainland. So.
Oh my, I'm so hot.
Yes, give it a try. They're cookie dough marshmallows. Look at these. They're so little cute little marshmallows.
Can you give me one? My goodness, so greedy.
Could reach for your own.
Off the bat, the way it's like super spongy, I feel like it's like something vegan, like.
It is.
Right?
It's non-GMO and.
Ah, see? I got a big head for something, you know what I mean? Ooh.
I mean, I don't know how good cotton candy, lasts for, but
Or if it's supposed to have.
valid.
Hey, we're gonna cut that out. That was terrible.
It says it's valid for 2 years, and then it says date, like the date that it's expired, shown on the seal, and then it's like in like Chinese. Like how the hell am I supposed to know?
Yeah. I mean, let's try it. I personally don't care.
I'm dripping it everywhere.
I got a strong stomach. Let's try it. Me first or you first? You gotta smell it first. What's wrong with you?
It smells like cotton. Like not
No,
even.
doesn't.
It doesn't even. It smells like
Oh.
Leahing powder. I'm not a huge fan of the Leahing powder. I mean, I like it on like some gummy candies like we have, but I'm not like fresh out the packet. I don't like it.
You know, it just tastes like if you ever had Mexican candy. You know how they put like that chili powder on everything?
It tastes like one of those Mexican mango lollipops.
Dude, I can rock like next time I go to movie theaters, I'm sneaking this in. I mean, I'm gonna ask if I can bring it in. This is good.
But it does taste like one of those like Mexican like candies, those lollipops.
I think I'm about to buy all new teeth.
Anyways, I'm over here covered in cotton candy dust.
Alright, so
So, like I said, made directly in Hawaii. Hawaiian Hurricane Company.
and that's kimchi flavor. I don't know about that.
Oh, and it's mochi crunch and nori. It's the same in all of them, babe.
Yeah, the crunch, I don't know about that kimchi.
Okay, well,
I don't even like kimchi like that.
half the bags here, you can't open it like this. You have to freaking open it like this.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Okay, whatever.
Oh, okay.
So, that's what it looks like inside the bag.
I'm scared.
This looks like popcorn with flavoring on it. Oh. Do you see the...
Oh no.
It has the nori pieces.
Oh,
like
that's
actually,
what they mean by nori. Got these little stars right here. You like it or not? It's good? Let me see.
I don't like it.
Oh my god. Dude, this only tastes like seaweed.
It's not that great. And don't worry, all these snacks won't go to waste. Someone in the house will eat them, or I'll take them to work, and they will all eat them. They eat all the snacks I bring.
I can't. Look at this one. This one's like overpowered. What the hell is that? I might as well eat it, right?
Yeah, they have like those nori cracker chips.
It's not bad. It's really not bad. I mean, it's starting to get spicy the more I eat it, because I ate that big chunky one.
But it's not even a kimchi flavor. It's like
it's seaweed flavor.
It's seaweed, yeah. You taste all the nori. You don't taste anything else.
Right. Let's do something sweet, please.
Our setup is all ruined now.
Let's do this one. No, that's gonna knock everything down. All right, let's do. You know what? Let's do this. We'll just work our way from the right, their left, to their right.
This is also Jade, another company.
And guess what?
What? They're made in Hawaii as well.
It has Leahing.
Yeah. Leahing sour gummy watermelons. And you see, they kind of have like a red powder on them. That's from the Leahing powder.
You know, it's funny. The more stuff we eat, the less flavor this tea has. It's just
not even good.
It's not.
Okay, whatever.
Oh.
See, they look like the Sour Patch watermelons, but they, instead of the sour flavoring on it, it has like, I guess, the sour Leahing on it.
Hey, you think they made this, or they were like, "Hey, Sour Patch, let me get your goods," and we just throw some powder on it?
I feel like I can see the other two. They
I told you.
worked with Sour Patch.
This is a robbery right here.
Or something.
This is definitely because look at the size of this too.
And it looked like they just threw the powder right on top of it.
I'm not gonna lie, not enough of the powder. Really not enough because I like the strong Hing taste.
I know.
Like it was on the cotton candy. Usually cotton candy is southern flavor.
It's really good.
Yeah, because all you're getting is Sour Patch flavor. You ain't getting no Hing. You know what? Let's try, because it's getting hot, let's try our drinks. I'm not sure if this is strictly Hawaiian, which I kind of doubt it, but it's here and we've never tried it, so we're trying it today.
It's a product of Taiwan.
Taiwan, look at that.
It's Assam milk tea.
What flavor you got?
Milk tea. Just
Oh.
regular. Always
Oh.
get regular.
I got strawberry.
Shake well before serving.
Oh. Alright.
I need you.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Yeah, you should clean it. We should have rinsed it with water. But
Always clean your can lids, anything like that you have to put your mouth on directly before you drink, because you don't know what goes down in the factory, especially all those like rat droppings and stuff like that.
hey. Mine's gonna taste better. Yours look like coffee. I think we messed up.
Mine tastes like a soybean drink.
Mine tastes like strawberry water. I think it's because we ate sugar
Yeah,
first.
right. You talk about mine's gonna taste better. Mine tastes better apparently.
Well, let's try this one. Oh,
Jeez.
no, you know what yours tastes like?
Yours tastes like the strawberry soybean.
No, hers
Yeah.
tastes like literally the bath water of.
You be drinking people's bath waters?
No, not people. Of the boba. You know, it just tastes like strictly boba to me. I don't know. So it's like bath water of boba. What's it called? Tapioca balls?
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like to me. Alright, what do we got next?
I
Let's
get
try
it.
this flour looking thing. Alright, so what we got here is crispy pretzel. Another pretzel. That's not
I
even
mean,
a
I don't
pretzel.
know how that's a pretzel, but
Hey, they made it. They say it. Alright, so I've tried something similar to this. It wasn't a
it was Cambodian style.
yeah, so I mean it might taste similar. Let's see what they got. Did you guys notice? I think this is the first thing she let me open.
You opened the freaking chocolate banana pucky and you drank.
The drinks don't count. So this is for me, this is for us. Alright. Off the bat, I'll let you know it is not the same.
It's texture, everything wise is the same, but it's not sweet like the other one, like the Cambodian one.
What does this taste like? It tastes like a chip. Yeah, which I don't mind because this was a lot airy.
You can taste the oils though. Like as you're eating it, like you can
I don't know if you can
taste
see
the
it.
oils.
It's like fluffier and a lot more airier. I don't know how to explain to that. But for the other one, it was so hard sometimes you eat it the wrong way like a Dorito and it hurts your teeth.
But it was really good.
Alright, so
This
That's
was
okay.
made in a bakery in Hawaii, but we got it at our local Times supermarket
did you just say a bakery and what?
in Hawaii.
Kaneohe? Is that here? Is that here on Maui or no? You don't know what I'm asking.
You're a fucking douche.
Alright, so you want to do the lychee? You want to
I kind of want something refreshing.
freshen? Alright, let's do lychee.
These are lychee konjac fruit jelly.
Oh, they can't see that far. Maybe they don't have their glasses on.
Normal jelly, excuse me. So we get in like, oh, excuse me, those little things, and we peel off the lids and just squeeze them out. These are bagged jellies, kind of
Wait.
like you would see in like the Japanese or Korean dramas. They would eat them.
You want to say hi to everybody? Alright, come here.
You want to eat a jello?
Yeah.
Let's see what she like. But it says scissors. I don't have scissors.
No, you can use your hands.
Oh.
See? Here, and then you squeeze it out and you
I'm
eat
not
it.
very skilled.
Oh.
Okay, and then you squeeze it out.
Alright, let's see. So this is pretty much just the lychee without having to.
Want one?
Whoa! Dude, this is legit!
And there's still juice in there.
Lychee konjac jelly fruit. No, sorry, fruit jelly. I don't know how to reason
This
that.
is really good. I mean, it tastes like the regular lychee jello, but it's just more satisfying in a little baggie.
I would put this in the fridge.
Right?
Go to cookouts. Here you go, kids. You get a jelly. You get a jelly.
I wouldn't share these. I want one more.
I'm so hot.
Okay, that's what it looks like on the inside. It's just jelly. You
Yeah,
squeeze
big
them out.
jelly.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't think you should have showed anybody. That looks so like, it doesn't look appetizing like you'd want to eat it. That's my new favorite. You need to get this like every day. Wowzers. You have any juice in there? Alright.
Awesome.
Okay,
I got jelly juice
Next.
all over me.
we're gonna do, so far my favorite flavor here, Li Hing, but it's Li Hing mango pieces. It's like dried, almost like, you know, you do with jerky, dehydrated. Alright, let's test that right here. We got a mess. Let's kind of clear this so it looks nice.
Yeah. It's a bit of a mess. Since we opened everything up. Oh, I'm sweating like crazy.
This is called mango pieces, right? Why it smell like seafood? Tell me it don't smell like seafood.
No, it smells like the mango you guys always eat.
Hmm.
You want one, Candy?
Alright,
Oh, you can eat it all yet.
let's try this. Here you go. I'm ready when you are.
Oh, this one's hard.
Oh yeah.
That one's really hard.
But
I don't like this one. It's not the same as the other ones.
I don't know. This isn't it. I'm sorry.
Be careful. You're gonna drop everything.
I think the problem with this one is
I mean, those are really good. Don't get us wrong, because we had ones that are like, because these are mini. These are mini ones.
Yeah.
But we still have the longer pieces, and they're really thin, and they just have like a better flavor. These ones, they're hard,
you just have a really bite to it.
and
Like,
it's a weird flavor. It's weird. It's powdery too. It's not like
I don't mind it. I'll eat one more.
Hey, Myra's trying to join in. She's over here knocking everything over.
Careful. Alright, so
You want to try this? It's a pizza pretzel.
alright, next we got from the same company J,
Okay.
a Mochi Delight. And from the looks of it, there's different flavors in this bag. So let's try this bad boy. Made product of
You
Taiwan.
didn't like it?
Okay.
I'm gonna open.
That's not fair.
Do you want a mochi? First of all, let's figure out what flavors are in here.
Mommy, what purple?
We have oolong,
Oolong? Yeah, I'm long.
taro,
Taro?
red bean,
One bean.
and I think that's it, honestly. Oolong, red bean, and taro. Yep, just oolong, red bean, and taro.
Mommy, what?
Which one did you want to try? You want taro?
You want that
I
one?
want red bean.
I'll try oolong. I don't even know what oolong is. Oh, the treasure of a mini rice cake. Okay.
What it looks like. Little mochi.
Like a mochi.
Ooh, the texture's nice. That's nice.
And this is the red bean. And I already into it. I have the red bean filling in it.
oolong, whatever that is. Somebody comment down below and please tell me what it is.
It's a tea.
It's a tea. So I'm eating
Is it good?
herbs. You like it?
I love mochis.
Let me see yours. Let me see real quick. Let me just see.
It's taro.
And then this is taro. Taro doesn't look so bad. Yeah. I'm sorry, but
I love mochi.
the mochi's good. Like I like it when it's like the mochi ice cream. And, you know, you get it like I like that, but I'm not. There's no flavor in these. At least this one there's no flavor. Man.
So, we have these in the mainland too. But they, I never seen these flavors. This is the big roll grilled seaweed roll, and it's spicy squid flavor. And then this is a new flavor I just found, and it's kimchi flavor. And the packaging is so cute.
I tried to read the mochi.
It's okay.
Try again.
Arms doesn't eat seaweed, but
Mommy, what this?
I'm gonna try.
What's our thing?
I'm gonna try. If you didn't, you should. You know what I mean? Cause I mean, I gotta. It's for you guys. I wanna get out of my comfort zone, and I wanna help you get out of your comfort zone.
You know what's the best about this? The crunch.
Oh my god. Let me finish this dry lychee ball. Or mochi ball. Oh my gosh.
Don't put yourself another jello. You're crazy.
No, no.
It's so good.
Ooh, it tastes
It's
good.
the
This.
right like amount of spice.
So, what I'm gonna do is think about hers, cause I do not want to get my own. I won't finish it. I do not like seaweed. That's the main reason why I don't eat seafood. I mean sushi, because I can't swallow this thing. I'm chewing like an old person. No offense.
You can chew that because it's
Ah,
easier
yeah.
than people.
Ah. Not gonna lie though, the flavoring outside is good. It's good. It's really. Ah my god, I like seaweed.
This Japanese
Mm-hmm.
is so good. That jello.
Oh.
It tastes like
It's a
Ooh.
lychee.
Alright, what do we have next? From the Diamond Bakery. Alright.
I
Something.
think that's. Oh no, I like.
No.
Okay, go ahead.
Something that I love is lily koi. Lily koi is passion fruit. That's what they call it here. This is Hawaiian biscuits, the collection of lily koi. Now, I'm hoping it's a strong flavor because I don't really like when stuff are too subtle, especially after I eat all kinds of stuff. But we'll see what's up.
Okay, no more. It's too much for you.
More jello for me?
Oh my gosh.
You want to try cookie?
And look at the coloring. I don't know if you guys will be able to
Or
see the inside.
You want one of these?
Look at the coloring on that. Alright. Let's try this.
There goes that one.
Alright, let me see.
It's it
Ooh.
bothers me. It's really like fake colored. I don't know.
Right? It is kind of like,
It's too yellow for like.
it's bold.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very bold coloring. Let's try this.
Oh no.
Put that back. Oh my.
I don't taste nothing.
It's loud.
Hawaii, I love you. I really do. But
You can taste a little bit,
Mama,
like when you kind of like move your tongue around it.
it's mostly all smell. Like I can smell it. And maybe the powder in the beginning. But that's it.
It's alright.
Yeah, I don't know. Well,
Here.
yeah.
So last but not least, we have buttered mochi. Well, mochi butter is what it's called. And it's from our local Times grocery store. Supermarket, whatever. Well, it's not really super, but yeah, we're just gonna eat one. We don't want to waste them.
Hi.
I don't know what it's, made with or whatever, but I know it's mochi and it's buttered. So yeah, you want to bite or you want to pull?
I don't know if you know, but you take content.
You want to bite?
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Mmm. I kind of have roasted coconut, right? On the top. It seems like. Mmm. This
Yeah.
is really good.
For my Spanish people out there, this got a texture of puri de pan.
It has
You know-
evaporated milk in it. Coconut milk.
Yeah, look, I have a coconut piece right now.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm talking
This
about.
is really good.
Yeah, this one's mine. You can't take a bite of this one either. All right, that is really good.
Mommy, I see my daddy.
Okay.
All right, that's awesome.
So, that was it
That concludes our video.
for our taste testings of Hawaiian snacks. Let us know if you want a part 2.
Part two.
We can find any snacks, anything you want us to eat or try.
And sorry you're shaking. The table's a little flimsy. Yeah. But yeah, anything. You want us, you know anything you see around on Maui that you want us to try? We got some stuff, an idea. Come on.
Yeah.
An idea of some stuff we want to do. But we also want to see what you would like to see because this is all about you guys. Alright? And we're going to try things together.
I'm
Alright?
giving the blocks.
So-
Blocks.
Ooh, that was nice. Alright, so remember,
It's hot as hell.
if you didn't,
You should.
that's what I'm talking about. Alrighty. Catch you later.
Catch you later.